Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set your out of office status in Google Chat. This is really useful when you're away from work and want to let your colleagues know you're unavailable. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to chat.google.com. Once the page loads, log in using your Google account credentials to access your Google Chat dashboard. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll notice your current status displayed there, which typically shows as active or indicates whatever your current status is. This is the section where you can manage your availability and let others know whether you're online, busy, or away. Go ahead and click on your status indicator at the top. This will open a drop-down menu with various status options that you can choose from. From the options that appear, click on Set as Away. This immediately changes your status to away, signaling to others that you're not actively available at the moment. Now, to add a more specific message about being out of office, click on your status indicator again at the top of the screen. This time, from the drop-down menu, select Add a Status. This option allows you to create a custom status message that will be visible to anyone trying to reach you, giving them more context about your unavailability. A text field will appear where you can type your custom status message. Go ahead and enter something like out of office or any other message that clearly communicates your situation. This personalized message helps your teammates understand exactly why you're unavailable, which is especially helpful in professional settings where clear communication matters. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Clear Status After. Click on this drop-down to reveal different time duration options. Here you can choose how long you want your out-of-office status to remain active, whether it's for a few hours, a full day, or multiple days. Select the time frame that matches when you'll be back and available again. Once you've selected your preferred duration, click the Done button to save your settings. Your out-of-office status is now active and visible to anyone who tries to contact you through Google Chat. And that's it. You've successfully set up your out-of-office status in Google Chat, making sure your colleagues know you're away and when you'll be back. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.